Moropedi.
Happy Kwanzaa, everyone. Time to gather, oh what fun. With family and friends so dear, we spread our joy and share good cheer. Each night we light a candle bright, celebrating love in the warm light. Happy Kwanzaa, let's celebrate. 7 candles, it's our fate. Unity and joy we find in Kwanzaa spirit, hearts aligned. Red, green, black, our colors shine. On the table, fruits align. They tell a story of present and past, of heritage and love that lasts. Gather round, it's time to feast. With karamu, we share the least. Happy Kwanzaa, let's celebrate. 7 candles, it's our fate. Unity and joy we find in Kwanzaa spirit, hearts aligned. Randall 1 for Umoja, bringing us together oh so close. 2 for Kuji Chagulia, finding our voice, let it boast. 3 for Ojima, working hand in hand, building our community, it's so grand. 4 for you, Jama, sharing's the key, supporting each other, you and me. 5 for Nia, our purpose shines, dreams and hopes in joyful lines. 6 for Kuma, creativity spark, making our world bright and stark. Happy Kwanzaa, let's celebrate. 7 candles, it's our faith. Unity and joy we find in Kwanzaa spirit, hearts aligned. For money, faith we hold. In our family stories unfold. Together we laugh, together we play, sharing traditions in every way. So come on friends, let's sing and cheer. Happy Kwanzaa, a time so dear. Happy Kwanzaa, let's celebrate. 7 candles, it's our fate. In black, green, and red they gleam. A joyful, loving Kwanzaa dream. Happy Kwanzaa, let's celebrate. Together enjoy, it's never too late. Happy Kwanzaa, it's time to celebrate.